Hi, wanna know 5 methods how to do a screenshot on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So let's start with the first one. This one is kind of creative, and for that we would need to enable the accessibility menu on our phone. To do it, firstly we would need to open settings and here find this tab which is named accessibility. Then open it, here scroll down until you'll find this tab named accessibility menu. Click on it and here click on the slider to enable the accessibility menu. Now as you can see, we got this little green button which is the menu by itself, and by clicking on it and here clicking on this arrow to the right, we can find option screenshot. By clicking on it, the screenshot will be made by itself. So the second method is to ask a Google Assistant. So let's test it. Hey Google, take a screenshot. And this is it. As you can see, the screenshot has been made, and we can also see the information in our notifications from Google, which is saying the screenshot has been saved. So the third option is, if you would like to take a screenshot of some of the recent apps, firstly, we would need to open our recent applications and here choose one of the apps that you would like to take a screenshot of. For example, I will leave it on the settings. And here simply click on this button screenshot. And this is it. We have made a screenshot only of the applications without the recent apps menu. So let's click save and move on to the fourth method, which is quick tap. But firstly, we would need to enable it. For that, we would need to open settings. Now go back and find tab name of which is system. Usually it's located at the bottom part of the whole list of settings. So let's click on it. Here we would need to find this tab gestures and then choose quick tap. Here we would need to enable it by clicking on the slider, and in this list we would need to choose take a screenshot. So now let's test it. To use quick tap we would need to double tap at the back of our phone. So I'll take my phone and double tap on it. And you can see that the screenshot has been successfully made. And now let's move on to the last one and most basic one to take a screenshot. And that's to use a key combination, which is the power button and volume down button. We would need to click on these two buttons at the same time. So let's test it. I'll click on these two buttons and we also got a screenshot. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.